Okay, now I'm going to do the assumptions for the independent t-test. Here are our variables that we're going to use, and then the assumptions for the t-test are that both variables are normally distributed, that there is equality of variance or homoscedasticity between the two groups, and that each person is only in one of the groups. So first we're going to check normality by running the skewness and kurtosis again. Notice this code is a little bit different. You can actually change the format of a variable within a function. So last time we didn't save our data set, so we're changing gender back to a factor like we had in the last data set, and then we're changing that to numeric because skewness needs to be run on a numeric variable. So let's go ahead and run that. And then, oops, we just want to run these 4 lines right now. Okay, and if you look at these values, the first 2 are within -2 and +2, and the second 2 are within -7 and +7. So those meet the requirements for skewness and kurtosis. We can go ahead and look at the histograms as well. Here's the histogram for gender. And the histogram for romantic. Both of those are fairly normal. Okay, so equality of variances, homoscedasticity. In this case, for a t-test, we can go ahead and run a Levene's test. So first we're going to say what the data equals, and then this is the name of our data. In this case, we just called it data. And then you want the equation that you're going to use in the t-test. So the tilde is an equation operator. You put y on the left side of it, and then your x values on the right side of it. So we're going to have gender predicting romantic movies. And we're going to run the Levene's test for that. You want your Levene's test to be not significant. If the Levene's test is significant, that means that there is not homogeneity of variance, that the variances are different. Which you want the variances to be the same. So you actually want this variable to be non-significant. Usually you're looking for significance when you run statistical tests, but with this particular assumption, you do want non-significance. Okay, which is a p-value greater than 0.05. And then the last one was that each person is only in one of the groups. This one you just have to think through. Is each person in the data set only in one of the groups, either a man or a woman? So yes, that is true.